We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also please subscribe my channel. Thank you.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Excel assignment. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 4F vehicles. We also increase the size of title so it must be visible, and here is project description. Increase the size and change its color. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have just 12 questions. You may see we have just 12 questions in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. First we will just describe the description of project. In the following project you will assist Crayon Blake, the vehicle's fleet manager, and to create a data model, pivot table and pivot chart using pivot power pivot. So that was just simply description about the project, that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. Now moving toward graded part, steps to perform, and here is instructions. So in question number 1 we have to open the file that we have downloaded from Pearson. So let me open that file. We call that file a solution file. Once it open, then we will start work. Okay, yes. Then now moving toward question number 2. On a data tab, click get data, then point from database, click Microsoft Access database. We will just move step by step so you can get what we are going to solve. First we have to click on data, then get data. From get data we have to from database and from access file. Okay, then from your download file import Microsoft Access database. The file name is this one. Okay, first we have to pick that file. So just simply click on desktop, then assignments, wheels, Pearson assignment, yes, this one. Then click on there, then we have to move toward capstone, yes, this one. And now this one is our main file that we have to import. Okay, then load both of the tables in a database. Okay, now we have to load both table. So select multiple and then select both one. Okay, then load both tables in database, then make user on a data tab, click get data external and then click from text. Okay, that all instruction is related to Mac user. Okay, we are a Windows user, so we do not follow that instruction. But if you are a Mac user, then you have to follow this instruction. Okay, so now simply click on load. Yes, that become a connection because now we are loading two tables, so that's why that become a table. Sorry, that become all queries and connections. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 10 marks from there. In question number 2 we just move toward our solution sheet, and there we have to click on a data tab, then click get data point from a database, then click from Microsoft Access database. From your downloaded file, import the Microsoft Access database, and we have a load this file, then load both tables in database. Then there is instruction for a Mac user. Okay, so question number 2 is done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 3. Insert a pivot table using from a data model option. Now we have to insert a pivot table using data model option. Verify the existing worksheet and sheet 1A as display. Then click OK. So we have to click on Power Pivot, then Manage. Okay. Then from here we have to insert a pivot table, and a pivot table must be on existing worksheet, means sheet 1. Yes, then simply press OK. So question number 2 is done. There is a note for Mac user that Mac user insert pivot table in a new sheet. Select then delete row 1 and 2 which are blank. So that note is for a Mac user. So after solving question number 3, we have earned 10 marks from there. So in question number 3, we have to insert a pivot table using from the data model option. Then verify that existing worksheet and sheet 1 A1 display, then click OK simply. Then Mac user insert a pivot table in new worksheet, then select and delete row 1, row 2 which are blank. And we have earned 10 marks from there. So after solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. So in pivot table field pane, add supplier field to the column area. First we have to add supplier field. From supplier, which one? Supplier field. Add supplier field to the column area. So where is supplier field? Okay, that one. This one, supplier to the column area. Then the atom field to the row area. Okay, then where is atom field? So we have to select atom field from there. Okay, atom field is in supplier order summary. Okay, from there, yeah, to the row area. Then year order field to the row area below the atom. Now we have to put year order field is this one to the below to the row area below the atom. Then add quantity field to the value area. Now we have to add quantity field. This one is quantity field. Drag this one and to the row area. Okay. So question number 4 is done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. So in question number 4, we have to work on that pivot table that we have created in question number 3. So in this question, we have to work on the pivot table, add a supplier field to the column area, then atom field to the row area, and then year order field to the row area below the atoms. Then add quantity field to the value area and earn 10 marks from there. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Change the number format to the number. Change the decimal place to 0, and then select 1000 separator. Then checkbox rename the sheet vehicle suppliers. So first we have to apply there. Select this one, value field setting, and here we have to apply a number format. Okay. The another condition is that decimal to 0. So decrease that to 0. Then select 1000 separator. Then we have to select 1000 separator. Then so this is done, simply press OK. And then in last part we have to rename the sheet to vehicles supplier. So copy the name from here, then right click or rename, paste the name that we have already copied from instruction sheet. So question number 5 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 5 we have to change the number format to the number, then change the decimal place to 0, and then select use 1000 separator checkbox. After that, then we have to rename the sheet of vehicle suppliers. We have done and we have earned 6 marks, 5 marks from there. Same way we will solve other parts. You may see we have just 11 to 12 question. Out of 11 to 12 question we have done first 5 question, mean almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today video we have done Excel 4F vehicles. In short, we just discuss project description. After that, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, in which we have to open our solution file, then move toward question number 2, that is just like graded 10 marks. It's quite big one, in which we have to get data from a data table and we have to pick a access file and we have to load both tables in database. Okay, after solving question number 2, then we move toward question number 3. In question number 3 we have 10 marks. Okay, in question number 3 we have to insert a pivot table using from a data model option, then verify that existing worksheet and sheet name mean address is this one, then simply press OK and we have earned 10 marks from there. Then moving toward question number 4. In question number 4 we have to work on that pivot table that we have created in question number 3. That then in pivot table field pane we have to add supplier field to the column area, atom field to the row area, and year order field to the row area below the atom field. Then add quantity field to the value area and we have earned 10 marks from there. Then in question number 5 we have to change the number format to number, then change the decimal place to 0, and then select 1000 separator, rename the sheet of vehicle suppliers. So we have done almost 50% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% mark in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. You may simply text me on my email ID, on my Instagram ID, on my WhatsApp number. I'm available. I will respond instantly, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 4F vehicles and we will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.